It is so pretty. And it's just a fashion piece. I will have to tighten that up, but that is a beautiful fashion piece. It kind of goes with what I'm wearing today. I'll just wear this today. But see, if I want to put that necklace on, I could just wear it with gold loops. I don't have to have these matching earrings. You could. So if you did do that, if you wanted to do matching earrings, I don't know if they make them for this. I would have to look. But if you wanted to do matching earrings, then maybe don't wear the necklace, just the earrings and the bracelet. Or if you just love matchy-matchy, do what you please and wear them all together. For some reason, I am just not coordinated. My gosh, Beth, that wasn't that hard to take that off. That actually would be pretty with what I'm wearing. I'm putting it on. I am putting this on because it would be pretty with what I have. And I just got gold loops to go with it. What do y'all think? Can you see? Whoops. Did I seriously just get... No, I didn't. I was going to say that didn't get that all tangled up. That looks so pretty, y'all. And it looks pretty on this, even though this is kind of a speckled shirt. I still think it's, you know, distinguishable, definitely. It looked really pretty on black because that would really make that pop, or white. You know, bold colors like that tend to make things pop more. But I am very satisfied. I really love what I got. Really love what I got. Love it, love it, love it. And I love that I've gotten this other piece as a gift, and I can give it to someone who I intended to have it. And so, there we go. I'm going to give her that, and I'm going to put it in this other box because I remember she loved this Ivy, so I'm going to put it in that box. So it won't be the right name, but she probably wouldn't even know. Okay, y'all, so that's one thing. How close are we to the end of the video? I probably have run over, knowing me. I've run over by 2 minutes. So, what do I do? Because now I'll be 2 brands. Plunder, I hope you don't mind. Plunder Design, I hope you don't mind. I'm going to go into the next thing. How about that? Yes. What did I do with that other piece? Did I just put that box in here? I did. I put a box that had something in it into my empty box. No. I do keep these boxes, and I have a drawer now that is my Plunder drawer. I love it because I can go in there and get out little goodies. Okay. What else did I get? Okay. This is by Terry. And this is not a subscription. This was just an order that I recently placed. I don't know if you can see. It's very nice. They've got their little by Terry sticker on. I do like when somebody has their own sticker. And so for the order that I placed, I got some nice things. I got the by Terry Premium Skincare Infused Makeup. What? Hyaluronic Foundation with SPF 30. Well, that I have makeup on today. But, so this is what it looks like. And so they gave me some samples, which is good because I'll need to find my color. By Terry is extremely expensive. But I would like to check this out because Hyaluronic Hydra Foundation means the foundation itself holds water, moisture to your skin. Now, do y'all feel like my face looks very moist? Do you know what this is? A while back, I showed y'all my haul from Flower. And it's the Seal the Deal. I shake it up real good because it's got like an infused, it says luminizing setting spray. So I think whatever is in this setting spray, just, you know, 2, 3, just kind of look up and do like that. I feel like it, whatever it has in it, it's what's giving me that kind of glow, and I love it. So that is Flower Seal the Deal. That's their finishing spray. And Flower is another brand. So right now we're on by Terry. You know, I don't think anybody's ever going to sign me anyway. I've been on this for how many years now? Nobody has. And I don't, usually those people have like 1 million followers. And I'm happy that I don't have 1 million followers because then they would tell me what to do. Okay, this, what did I buy? Well, y'all saw one of them. I got several of these. I'm trying to decide what I'm going to do because it's a very expensive palette. The By Terry Terribly Paris palette. And it says it's the VIP Expert palette. And so the VIP Expert palette has 2, I guess, colorways. And this one is number 1, Paris by Light. And there's another one that I don't know. I might go back and get. I don't know. Still testing this out to see if I like the coverage. And what I hate is that these colors, it's really a perfect color palette. It really is. They have these beautiful little imprints on them that they've etched into it that I love. But as you use the palette, that's going away. Also comes with a little brush. It's usable. It's definitely not enough for all those colors, so you have to have a brush set. But I mean, you could. So what else did I get? Well, I got 2 more. And I'm trying to decide what I want to do. Are they going to be gifts? Are they going to be giveaways? We don't know. Because of that, I apparently got a gift. This is not something I paid for. So this must be because I placed a large order. Yeah, this by Terry is a very expensive line. And I'm not quite sure why. But anyway, no. Because I wanted to try that palette. It was a beautiful palette. I could tell that. There is one of those stinking robocalls. Hold on. Isn't that beautiful? That's a pretty little palette.
Call from toll-free call.
No. And I keep forgetting to take that off. So this is, turn that off when I'm filming. But this is kind of like a plum. Not black, plum with 2 little kisses. That's what it looks like. One's matte and one's glossy. So that's kind of cute. Little makeup pouch to have. Oh, and there's something in it. Oh, it's just one of these. Remember, always take these over your bathroom toilet, tear it open, and let the contents fall in there. You never want those to fall on the floor and have a child or an animal get it. Okay, so that was a nice little gift with purchase. And then also the makeup sample. That's a good thing because it's expensive, so I hope I don't fall in love with it. And then also the brightening CC serum. It's a glowing base, so I'll try that underneath before I try that. Just a little sample size. And then I got 3 other items because of the order. One is that came with this, and I guess because it would have gone in the little pouch you saw. This is a mini to go by Terry Hyaluronic Hydra Primer. So this is a primer with hyaluronic acid. And I believe that probably is great because, again, it holds moisture. So it's a little small size. So that's good. We can try all these products out. Also, the Compact Expert Dual Powder. Hybrid Setting Veil. All Over Perfection Matte and Glow. Compact. So it's setting powder. But it's a baby size. Compact Expert Dual Powder. And this is in number 7, Sun Desire. That doesn't sound like a setting powder. That sounds like a... Oh my gosh, that's not a setting powder. That's really dark. That looks like, that almost looks like bronzer, y'all. What's it say? Mattifier is on the outside. Even out is both of them. Luminizers on the inside. Camouflage technology. Well, I can always add a little. Because that is definitely not a setting powder. That is a bronzer. What do you think? Look at the 2 cheeks. I would not call this a setting powder. It's too, it's got too much color to it to be a setting powder. This is almost like a bronzer for real, y'all. Don't y'all think? Yeah, I think this is a... Yeah, I definitely don't think you could just put this on. It's not translucent. So that's unusual. I have to read up on that because, I don't know. What do y'all think? I don't know. It does look pretty. It's a pretty finish. But then also just use that flower. Okay. And then also the Stilo Expert Corrector Hybrid. Let me see how much time I got left. Just a couple minutes. That's fine. Okay. So here's the corrector Stilo. So I would imagine what that is multifunctional foundation concealer, multitasking buildable coverage. Let's see. Is it scroll up? Push up. This is a very weird way because it's a pump up like you would have a liquid, but it's cream. Isn't that weird? Let me just see the color. Ooh, wow. It's very rich, but it's very peach. Well, that would be why it's a concealer. Let's just use it. I'm not going to waste that. It's on my hand. So we'll try it. I'm just going to put it under one eye and let's see what happens. Does it help? Let's put it under this one. Because this is a color corrector. It is like a, you know, that peach tone, it cancels gray. I mean, blue. Did that help? Does this eye look less blue underneath than this one? Y'all comment below and really let me know. And now I've got to even it out or I look like a crazy today. But yeah, you really should only put color corrector right there in that crease, right there where the bag is, because that's where the blue color is. You don't need it anywhere else. Now you see me, I'm just evening it out so that you don't have just like a color suddenly there. But that's where you want it. You want it where the bag actually is, where the blue tone is, so that you can correct the blue tone. And I'm also going to put some here and right here because I have a little bit of red spots there. What do y'all think? Y'all are looking at me on camera and it's harder for me to tell what it really looks like. So y'all tell me what you think. Okay, that's going to be it for today. That is my haul today. My Plunder and my by Terry. And I think I had an outfit that I was going to do. So I'll wait that till the next time. Or I don't know what it is. I hate when I do this, but I did it again. I ordered something and I don't remember what I ordered. Anyway, I love y'all and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye! Bye! Okay, if it's still going.